Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Color Combos with Crystal. Today I have the sweet trio of pandas doing some DIY color balloons. For this card we are using Clouded by Cuteness and Plenty of Pandas stamp set. We are going to begin by placing our Clouded by Cuteness onto our Misty, and we are using two ink colors. We're going to ink it up with It's a Boy and then the outer edges of the stamp set with Something Borrowed. Then we're going to go ahead and press onto our cardstock. On the cover of the Misty, I'm going to put some ink. You can use some acetate, but since the Misty was ready to go, I'm going to wet my brush and grab the color from the ink pads. You can do this with any dye ink or any water-based ink pads, and I'm trying not to get into the actual clouds. Now, using Plenty of Pandas, we're going to be using Blackjack, which is a really dark gray, and I'm going to stamp 3 sets of pandas. Once of those stamps, we're going to go ahead and fussy cut around them, leaving a slight white edge. Now that my pandas are cut, we're going to go ahead and set them aside. Using markers, and you can use any marker, I just happen to have my Copics, I'm going to draw and color the inner part of the balloons. I'm doing these in 3 different colors, 3 different sizes, and then again, go ahead and fussy cut each balloon. Try not to leave any white edges. We're going to adhere each panda and balloon using foam adhesive, and I have pre-placed these adhesives on the back of each little image and placing them on the stamped background. Next, with that Blackjack, we're going to stamp the sentiment "I miss you" from the same panda set. Next, using some Nuvo drops, I'm going to add a line and a drop just to create a little bit of a shadow. And that does it to create a really fun set of cards using the trio of pandas. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an awesome day.